how's it going? Today I'd like to teach you how to make a very delicious and simple fried rice, and this one is really good, nutritious and good for those who work out. Let's get started. Okay, so first of all I'd like to show you some ingredients for making fried rice. So here's a boiled seafood mix. I was actually going to use a beef or pork, but didn't have it, so I'm going to substitute this for the beef and pork. And also garlic, probably just one piece, and have some brown rice. It's already cooked. I cooked the brown rice actually with the coconut oil. That makes much a better flavor. And also a few eggs, and also so here's a tip that when you make brown rice you add some coconut oil. That much better flavor, like I already said, but this time I'd like to add a little bit more coconut oil when I make fried rice. Okay, so first of all I'd like to just cut the garlic. Okay, just one, it's enough. So I just made this flat, but if you think it's too big, then you actually just line it up and just cut in a half of it. Okay, so it's just a little smaller pieces, so this should be enough for one serving. Okay. Alright, so now I'd like to start cooking. Okay, so first I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. And add some boiled seafood mix. So just so you know that I'm using like seafood, but you can use the beef or pork, even chicken, just anything that you like to add. Okay. So here's the thing, I'm making a fried rice, so you have to get rid of this juice. Alright, so you're gonna throw this away. So alright. Okay, so here I'd like to add some eggs. And some brown rice. Now if you guys want to, you can add some This is a pink salt. And some pepper. Alright, so guys, here's the tip. You can see the rice actually, see the separation happening. See? That's the time that the fried rice is ready. Because the rice doesn't stick together, that means that it's not ready for serving. So when you see that rice is separating, that's the time that you see that fried rice is ready. Okay. So I like to go ahead and cook just a few more minutes. Guys, this is the end of the video. Please subscribe and leave a comment below and hit the like button as well.